Hi everyone, Natasha here, and I am excited to share with you the August Joyful Jordan box. So as you know, these are a subscription box from Jordan Essentials. You can subscribe and get one every month where it's a surprise that gets mailed out to you. Your card gets automatically charged. Or you can just buy one and try it out and see what you think. And the best part is you can also do a prepaid subscription or a 3, 6, 9, or 12-month subscription where it charges you each month. And with both of those, you get enrolled in the Joyful Jordan Perks Club, and that means that you get an extra coupon emailed to you quarterly, and that is for one specific item that the company chooses, but it's usually 70% off. So it's a great deal, and it gives you another chance to try something out. So I'm going to get started with this August box. It's really cute. And as you know, each box comes with a card that's from Nancy, the owner, and it just tells you either something inspirational or a Bible verse. This one says, "Hope, it's a barefoot in the grass, sunshine on your shoulders kind of day." So that's really cute. You could frame that if you wanted to, or just hang it up for some inspiration. And then the back of the card will tell you a little bit more about the products in the box. So this one, we have 3 items. Each box costs $20, and it's guaranteed to have at least $30 worth of product. So first off, we have the lemon Shea body butter. So this is a 4-ounce tube. You can get this size tube of body butter in our catalog, but not in the lemon oil scent. So this is an exclusive scent that you can only get in this box, and I love the lemon shea butter. I've smelled it before in some other exclusive items, and it's just really light and refreshing, a really nice one to keep in the kitchen, especially after you've been chopping onions or something like that. And then we have our sparkling citrus lip tube. This is the only item that's actually in the catalog. This is really nice. It's a large size lip tube. I love keeping one in my purse, or they're great to throw in your kid's backpack. They're a beeswax base, so they don't harbor germs, and they help to protect and seal in moisture. So even if your kid has a runny nose or some allergies, you can kind of do their whole upper lip and just really protect their skin, which works out so nicely for those kiddos. And the sparkling citrus scent is a really nice light citrus scent. It's not very overpowering. And this is normally $8.50. And then our shea butters are normally $15 in this size, so already that's what, $23.50. So you've got more than your value of the $20 for the box. And the final thing is this citrus bath bomb. So this is, again, a larger size than what our normal bath bombs used to be. We don't have them anymore, but that's all the more reason why this is a fun Joyful Jordan box to get, because you get to try this new scent out, the citrus scent in the bath bomb, and it's a bath bomb, which you can't normally get. So there's a chance for a little self-care and pampering, or you can use a hammer to break it into some smaller pieces and just let the kids have a little in their bath at night, which is always fun. So that is the August Joyful Jordan box. Let me know if you have any questions or you want some information. I'll put links down below. And thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.